Next we've got Mount Skiddaw in the snow. This one is epic. I seem to remember this being excruciatingly cold, as you'll be able to see by the frost in my beard and the frost, just the snow and the frost everywhere. It was a good one. Yeah, really enjoyed this one.
Probably only hear the wind, so I'll face that way. You might be able to hear me, but yeah, it's going to be pretty bleak. I don't think there's any drone footage because we're already in the snow and we're an hour and a quarter in. We've probably got at least another 2 hours to get to the top. fly some drones, a surprise view. We did about 6 miles. I forget exactly because I've just turned my watch off and synced it, but that was a pretty good walk. It got a bit cold, I'm not gonna lie, my hands are just about normal again. Any talking I've done on that has probably just been lost because wind noise, but that was ace. That was Skiddaw. Highly recommend, would walk again, A star star star.
And then you've got your Stu Grace with that flipping booming noise. Holy crap.